My name is Wheels Manikkuttan. I am from Kerala, capital city of Thiruvananthapuram. I made India Book of Record, 69,207 kilometer by road, no repeat, no crossing the road. My target was 736 kilometer per day. Sometimes I cannot cover that on one day, maybe 450. So next day I will cover more than 1,000. So like that calculation, I done it everything. The sacrifice was actually the parents was suffering too much, thinking too much, in always in the morning to evening or midnight. I am on the road, so sure they cannot sleep well. Other thing, my rest and holding times, actually 95 days, I sleep in the car, in the petrol pumps or toll plazas and forest range checkposts, like that. Anyway, God grace, I achieved the target and more than target. I finished, my target was 65,000 kilometers only, but I finished it in 99 days, 69,207. Thank you very much for India Book of Records and all the record holders, and thank you very much.
Hi sir, how are you?
Fine, thank you.
Sir, just a little introduction about the record.
It's actually my dreams is driving. So many people visiting, touring the people to see the places, but I like to see the place, but I enjoy the way driving. That's my main intention. So that's why I choose this one, the drive record.
Sir, how did you plan and organize the logistics for such an extensive expedition, including the route planning and vehicle maintenance?
Actually, this little bit long time I search in the internet, then the Google Map also. It's very hard. It take months actually, 6 months, 8 months. I back the Google Earth also, the mapping. Then each route, I did not repeat the route. That's the main thing. Same route, once I go, I will not come back that route. So I choose another route to come back, even it's not crossing also. So I get the support from the Google map only. It's starting to end, I plan already before I move. So I plan already very clearly, point by point. Then some enough reasons. That means in Gujarat there is water problems. In Rajasthan I stuck in the desert. In Kartungla Pass, I mean Leh Ladakh, I stuck in the snow. So that's the time only I little bit change the route according to my plan. Then everything is fine. Actually long time process actually is the route.
Any challenges, sir, you faced during this time?
Its main challenges is actually I don't know the route actually. First time I am going somewhere. In the highway, everything I know, main roads I know. But without repeating, I have to finish this. So I'm choosing even, I depend the Google, maybe the update was 6 years ago or some 3 years ago, some recently. So the problem, we are expecting is nice road, we are entering the road, we cannot change also. So the most worst road I face, my target is 736 kilometer per day. But sometimes I finish only 350 in Karnataka, some forest areas I finish on 350 only, even 18 hours. Then I recover it the mileage because of the sometimes I am getting new good roads, so I will manage it. The target is achieved.
So what inspires you and how did you get to know about the India Book of Records?
Actually, first I know only this India Book of Record before Guinness World Record or anything. 4 years ago, before just Corona, I am calling, I am mailing, there need no report. I came direct to the office in India Book of Record, and I think at that time it's in Gurugram.
Okay.
That's the office in the third floor or some. I went there, I spoke with one girl, I don't know, I cannot memorize the name. Then I know the clear picture of this one. Then suddenly the corona will come. They actually try to contact me, but I cannot complete this drive. So then I am waiting, then finish everything. The situation will be everything okay. I plan already. Then only I inform them. So I am going to do this one.
Sir, any changes before you achieve this award and after you achieve this award
What do you mean by
in your life?
Of course, I absolutely changed my vision about India. Because the people are telling this is India is this area is dangerous. The people are like this. The nation is some region people, the politically and this regionally. That's all changed because so many people I meet, they are not asking me which religion you are, which caste you are, which language you are speaking. No, they are actually like Indian. You are our people. They are all encouraging me and inspiring me. Then they are giving food in the street. Actually, I wonder. Actually, the people are, especially even in the police, Gujarat, Rajasthan, and their police. Before I am touring normally, actually they are catching me. Where you are going? There is fine like this, like the number plate like that. But my intention. They know what I am doing. Actually, they are coming out. They are want selfie. They are in picture. They are inviting me for food or tea. Actually, I am very happy with the people. Actually, only one nation. This together, we are safe country, and I proud to be an Indian. Even I am very last from south, but I know the people now south, north, east, west, all. They are nice people. Are no color difference, no language difference, nothing.
So while traveling, which is your favorite place you have visited?
Actually, all places there is difference, but again I want to go and visit again in Meghalaya.
Okay, Meghalaya. Thank you so much,
Because
sir.
other places almost I visited already, but I feel surprised in Meghalaya. I will go again back there.
I will definitely go, sir. Thank you.